Did you know there's two separate transmissions in your zero turn? That's right, one for the left and one for the right. And if they're not adjusted properly, it can cause all kinds of problems. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust it so your machine tracks in a straight line. This is the Everyday Man. I'm glad you're back to watch another video. Let's get to it. All zero turns are going to be pretty much the same when it comes to adjusting how it drives in a straight line. And that's what you want, right? When you push both handles forward, you want it to go in a straight line. It's really easy to make this adjustment. As you can see here, on the left here is what they call the tracking bolt. And on the right side is what they call a tracking knob. Now the tracking knob obviously is adjustable while you're driving. So here's the way you do it. The first thing you want to look for is that the bolt is flush with the nut. Now, there's the nut and there's the end of the bolt, right? So we want to back out this nut until that bolt is flush. It's on a spring on this side and it's really easy to turn. Now you can see that that is pretty flush right there, but that's where they want it to be. So if I move that forward now, it goes quite a bit more. All right, step one complete. When you're sitting on the machine, this is on the left side. This is your tracking knob, and this is the thread that's sticking out. We made the thread on the other side flush, so we want to do the same thing here. And again, it's on a spring, so it won't turn without you turning it, which is good. That'll stop vibration of the machine from making it move. And then the same thing, we want to unscrew it until it's flush. Now when that's flush, again, it gives us a whole lot more forward movement. Now we're going to take it out and we're going to push them both forward, and what we want to see is if it tracks in a straight line. If it goes off to the left or it goes off to the right, then we need to make an adjustment. It's best to do this test on a straight driveway if you can. Push both handles forward all the way. Wow, the difference really is amazing. It's driving completely straight, and I can feel that the speed has increased too. We adjusted it so we have full speed, full power. We adjusted the tracking so it tracks in a straight line. With that said, this is the Everyday Man saying thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.